The durian mornthong. It's the world's smelliest fruit. Many places across Southeast Asia have banned the durian fruit because of how bad it smells. Just got it today. Was running around town, had to get all these exotic fruits, you know, and I picked up the durian and it's frozen because it reeks. Am I starting to smell it? Okay, so we're gonna take a look at our durian fruit here. I just used towels that I had at home to handle it, because since it's pretty spiky and sharp.
How does it smell?
It actually doesn't smell too bad. Whoa, shit! Whoa, baby! Whoa, baby! Yeah. I hit a pocket there. Wow. Whoa, that smells, baby.
Does it smell bad?
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. That is ripe. Whoa. Wow. There we go. There we go, there's the durian inside. The durian has a smell that is really, really like pungent, really ripe. It hits you like not many other smells in the world could. Okay, so this is the inside. Holy shit, this stuff right here, oh my God. We're gonna peel this nice stuff out here. Whoa. Yes. Just be careful when you're using the knife. Don't cut very deep, just very, very finely. Not very deep at all. There we go. Oh. There we go. That's it, right there.
Looks like the intestines.
So we're gonna get that out. It's really,
Is that the last?
really intense. The smell's intense. I've never tried it before, but I do want to eat it. I don't want to waste it. I will eat it. It's said to be very good. Maybe it is. Okay, here's my other piece. I just cut into it. Be careful with the knife, and make sure when you're cutting into it, don't go very deep. Okay? Not that sharp. That's my new favorite vegetable. Whoa. That is the money right there. That's the money shot. Wow. Does that look good? Okay, so it has this stuff, and then inside there's a hard piece, a seed or something. You want to see what it looks like in there? Okay. I'm just gonna make sure I don't forget any. That was the mother load right there. So, okay, well, I'm done with this. Ooh, the durian seed inside, or whatever this part is. So. Normal seed. Ooh, that's scary. Beauty. I really don't want to do this.
Don't feel comfortable eating it?
Oof, it reeks. It smells like socks and onions. But here we go. Yeah, I don't like it.
Looks like raw chicken or cabbage rolls.
Okay, babe, we're gonna bring this in. How does that smell?
What is that?
That's the durian. I just want you to see. I just want you to see the. I'm gonna cut you off a piece. Yeah, but it might not be that bad. I'm just a bitch. So, because I have heard some people think it tastes good. So, give it a shot and tell us what you think.
Where's the fork?
Right on the plate in front of you. It's on it. Yeah, just put it in your mouth.
That it tastes like
It tastes
rotten
like it smells.
eggs.
Ew.
I'm gonna throw up. No, I'm gonna throw up.
Oh my god.
Get that out of here.
Yeah.
We're done. We're
Okay,
done.
we're done. Okay, we're getting that out. We're getting the durian out of here. Yeah, that smell is absolutely so horrendous. Wow. We gotta get everything cleaned up, because that fruit was really smelly. That's for sure.